simple hammer in Maya. So let's start. First I will create a simple cube, and width I will give 5, height I will give 5, and depth I will give 5. And in subdivision, in which subdivision I will give 2 subdivision, height also I will give 2 subdivision, and depth also I will give 2 subdivisions. So we have something like this. Now what will I do? I will click on these faces and just extrude it like so. Wait 1 second. I will click on these faces and I will click on extrude, and in side view I will just adjust the vertex right now. Like so. And now I will click on these faces. I will click on these two faces and just extrude it like so. E for rotate. I will just rotate it. Again G for repeat, W for move tool, and I will keep somewhere around here. And I will click on these faces and I will again extrude, shift right click and extrude. E for rotate. I will again select these faces, extrude it, and then I will keep somewhere over here. And now what will I do is I will just click on these faces and scale them inwards. Like so. Okay, so we have something like this, and now what will I do? I will click on these faces and I will extrude it. I will press control and click on offset like so. And now I will form some circular shape. I will click on this vertex 1 2 3 4 and I will scale it inwards to form the circular shape. And now what will I do? I will click on this face and I will extrude it. I will place control and click and drag on thickness. G to repeat, press control and click and drag on offset like so. G to repeat, press control and click and drag on thickness. So now we have something like this. Now what will I do? I will click on these faces and I will shift right click and extrude and give the offset 0.19. I will repeat here also. Click all these faces, shift right click, extrude 0.19. Here also same. Click all these faces, shift right click, extrude 0.19. also. Click all these bottom faces. Shift right click 0.19. I'm just adjusting some vertex right now, like so. Okay, I want one edge here also. I will click these faces, shift right click, extrude, and just click and drag here. And now I can place 3. So okay, I will add one edge here also. Sit, insert edge loop tool, add one edge here, add one edge here. Also we have to add one edge here, add one edge here. Okay, now see, so we have something like this. If you want, we can scale this also a little bit inwards. And now what we have to do is we have to select these bottom faces, shift right click and extrude, and click on drag on offset. And again I am going to form a circular shape. For that, click on these 4 faces and scale them inwards, like so. And now what will I do is click on these faces, shift right click, extrude, click and drag some bit on here, G2 repeat, click on thickness, again G2 repeat, click on drag on offset, G2 repeat, click and drag on thickness, like so. So now we have something like this. Now what will I do? I will insert one edge loop tool, insert edge loop tool somewhere down here, and I will just rotate them. So rotate in this axis, like so. I will click and drag here, and again I will create some edge loop tool, insert edge loop tool, one edge here and one edge here. And now I'm going to bevel this edge. Click and drag on, double click on this edge, shift right click and bevel. Press Ctrl and click on this fraction somewhere down here. Okay, now I'm going to adjust some vertex right now. First I'm going to extrude this face, all faces, and drag here, extrude, click and drag on thickness. I will use 0.19 and then click here on this face, double click on this face by holding shift, click on this face, double click on this face, click here, double click on this face and just extrude him, shift right click and extrude. press control and just click and drag here. I'm extruding inwards, and then I'm going to put some in edge, insert edge loop tool. Click on this edge, shift right click, insert edge loop tool. I'm going to add one edge here, add another edge here, and then I'm going to add one edge here, add one edge here also. Okay, then I'm going to smooth this. See, this vertex is not proper. Click and drag on vertex, click inwards. Okay. I'm going to smooth it right now. I'm going to select these two edges. Okay, yes. Okay. And now I'm going to add some materials to it. So for that I'm going to click on this, right click, assign new materials, click on Lampert and select white color, and for this I'm going to click on all these faces. Right click, assign new material, click on Lampert and select gray color. So this is our model hammer. This is a very easy model. I'm going to render this in Keyshot now. For that I'm going to click here. I'm going to hit spacebar, mesh. I'm going to smooth this object. Click on this option box. Subdivision level will be 1 and I'm going to smooth it. Okay, and then I'm going to export it, export all. Click on this option box, export all. I'm going to name hammer here. I'm going to export them. And now I'm going to open Keyshot. And now I'm going to import that model. Okay, so this is our model. First I'm going to click environment, background color. I'm going to color dark blue here, and here I'm going to metal, click on metal, and I'm going to, let's see this one. I'm going to add this texture here. Double click on this texture. Just going to scale it. Okay, Okay, so environment, I'm going to click on this environment material, middle mouse button, click and drag here. So this is our model. Okay, now I'm going to render this. I just want to move this little bit. Uh-oh. Press on C hammer. Right click here and move hammer. Okay, this is cool. Yes. Now I'm going to render this. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.